Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss another method of Python, which is casefold. So it is bit similar to the lower method. So it is also used for converting the capital characters into small characters. Okay, so there are multiple scenarios where we can utilize this and we can verify like how this method is working. So for that, we will start with the first scenario. So here you can see that in string1 variable, I am storing the string as capital letters, means all the content of the string is in capital. So we have written a tech Sharmit. Then we are using this method casefold. So to use this method, you can use string1 dot casefold, which is my method name. So the moment when you use this method, what it will do, it will convert all the character of your given string into small case or lower case. So you can see it is printing. Here we are printing the output. So to see the output, I will press Ctrl S to save this program, and then I will press Ctrl Shift tilde to run my terminal. Once terminal is open, you can write the command python space session 28.py, which is my program name .py. So if I hit enter, you can see it prints the following output. So if you focus on the first one, it is printing the texture myth, but in small cases. Okay. Now look at the second scenario. Here we are using the same string, but this time only the first character is capital and remaining string is small. Still it is converting the first character to small case. So it doesn't matter which character is capital, which is small, it will convert all the string which is in capital letters. For third scenario, we are storing the entire string in a small case already, so it will not affect anything here and it will print the string as it is, which is texture myth. For fourth scenario, we are storing the string as 123, so it is not a characters, so it will also not be affected and it will show as 123 only. For fifth scenario, we are using 123 and Sharmit. So what it will do, it will convert this Sharmit into small letters. So you can see it is converted to small letters, but 123 is not changed. So if I make it as capital letters, then also it will convert the entire string into small case. Okay. Now there could be one question like what is the difference between lower method and casefold? So lower method is casefold method is bit advanced. So whenever you are dealing with Unicode, then in that case it is always recommended to use the casefold method. But if you are using just for the case conversion, then you can go with a lower method as well. Both process and provide the data in the same manner. Just the difference is like it handles the Unicode things, and also it is used for multiple language transitions. Okay. So yeah, these are all scenarios for casefold method, and I hope the session is clear to all of you. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.